Y'all saw the title, but listen, before we get into the recipe, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay up to date with all my recipes. And we're going to be making a nice spooky maple syrup for this recipe as well. Alright, so starting off the recipe, use whatever pancake mix you like. We're going to add a few ingredients to it. Some pumpkin pie spice, we're going to add some bourbon vanilla extract. Then we're going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of pumpkin puree. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and add some cinnamon. I will have all of the ingredients listed in the description box for everyone to follow. Go ahead and mix everything up. Again, use whatever pancake mix you like. Just add those additional ingredients. And again, that will be in the description. Go ahead and set that aside for a little bit. And we're going to work on our maple syrup. So we're just going to take some organic maple syrup from Trader Joe's. Then we're going to go ahead and add some black food coloring to that. 2 drips of the food coloring, that's all you need. We're going to make it real spooky, and that's it. You can heat up the syrup if you want, or you can just leave it at room temperature. It's totally up to your preference of how you like your syrup. Okay? This is perfect for the kids, family, and friends. But let's go ahead and get the pancake made. So we are going to use this wonderful waffle / pancake maker that I found in Target. Go ahead and spray some non-stick spray to that. And the instructions for the actual waffle / pancake maker says use 3 tablespoons of whatever pancake mixture to make the perfect pancake / waffle. And you know, I keep saying pancake / waffle because this actually makes a waffle on top, just like that. And the bottom is the pancake, which is shaped like a pumpkin. And look, it's perfectly done. Only took 5 minutes. Go ahead and flip it over just like that. And there you have it. You have your pumpkin pancake waffle. 2-in-1 specials over here. I'm telling you, this is going to be a pleasing recipe for the kids on Halloween morning, because Halloween is on a Sunday this year, 2021. Can't believe 2022 is on its way. Go ahead and make some more, and then guess what? We cannot forget to add our spooky maple syrup. Go ahead and drizzle that bad boy all over those pancakes / waffles, whatever you want to call it, and there you have it. Perfect, quick and easy, and you're not going to be in the kitchen too long, and it's a very festive way to celebrate spooky Halloween. Make sure you have fun this year trick-or-treating, and stay blessed and be safe, and I'll catch you on the next video.